It's not really about just hyping your audience or that one person about your business. Paano nga ba i-explain ang negosyo mo? No? At meron tayong follow-up na question dito, Coach Migs. Ano po ba ang mas maganda? To explain it to a group of people, to an audience, to a crowd, or to explain your business to just one person? Ito precisely ang sagot ko. If it's the same. Okay? If you cannot explain your business to a group of people, then you cannot explain it to one person. In the same way, vice versa. If you cannot explain your business to one person, you cannot explain it to a group of people. Bakit? Ang importante with regards to explaining your business or communicating your business is what we call clarity. It's not really about just hyping your audience or that one person about your business. It's about making your business so clear that the people that you speak with, yung mga kausap mo, nai-imagine, na-visualize at nako-communicate ng tama yung negosyo mo sa kanila. Naiintindihan nila kung ano nga ba ang iyong negosyo. So ito how will you do it? Number one, you gotta start it with why. Totoo yun. You gotta start explaining your business with a why. Okay, so for example ako, in IAM Plus Coaching, the why is one-liner lang ang aming why. We are a producer of transformational events. Everything that we do is geared towards that one line. To produce events that transform people. Kaya kami is a producer of transformational events. So if you notice, meron tayong couple summit, meron tayong ako naman muna, meron tayong Grand Exponential You, meron tayong Discovery, Personal Development, Breakthrough Leadership Development, and Abundance Performance Coaching. Lahat na yan is geared towards transforming our participants. And to produce such kinds of events is basically what I do. So you gotta start with why, diba? Sobrang clear sa IAM Plus yan. In the company that I own also, it's called Prime Stellar Consultancy. Simple lang yung aming why. We transform companies to be transformational companies. We transform companies to be transformational companies. So, which means, nagawa ko to sa IAM Plus, di ba? As the CEO and President, nagawa ko, I made IAM Plus to be a transformational company. Sa Prime, ganun din. In other business ventures that I co-own, katulad ng Genesis Group, they used to be a digital trading company, a retail e-commerce store. We transformed them into a group of companies that is transformational. Ibig sabihin, everything that they do is geared towards helping people change. Okay? Yung products na nire-release nila is geared towards transforming individuals. So, they're now producing transformational products. Okay? So, natulungan natin sila to do that. Kaya nga, ang ating why is transforming people or transforming companies to be transformational companies. So, you gotta start it with why. Then, you follow through that with everything that you do must be geared towards that. You gotta provide examples. What are the products? What are the services that you have that proves the point that it is directed, targeted, or geared towards number? Okay? So, and then number 3 is what sets you apart. Bakit kayo? What makes you unique? What makes you distinct? Why your company? Why your product? Why your service? So, yan yung the way you can actually explain your business to a lot of people. Alright? So, you gotta start it with why. Kasi yan din yung magpaparali sa mga employees nyo. Yan din yung magpaparali sa mga tao nyo. Yan din yung magpaparali sa lahat ng tao who wants to co-build with you. You gotta start it with why. You gotta start it with the customer. You gotta start it with the consumer. And then from there, the business model, the structure, the system, the processes, the operations, the services, the products must follow the why and the customer. That's how you can actually build and communicate your business.